welcome to my channel. My name is Christina. Today I will introduce the shoes for you. It's AirJordan1 Mid Goose Feather Yellow. Lemon yellow and white match each other. This mid-high top AirJordan1 has wore yellow leather up in the same color. The white midsole makes the design perfect. Upgrade the correct original master type. Develop the paper version. Build in the soft air cushion in the glue injection hole of the middle sole. Offshore new color, Nike Woman AirJordan1 Mid Lemon Yellow AirJordan1 Generation Classic Retro Culture Shoe Sports Basketball Shoe Goose Feather Yellow Lemon Convenient. The Nike Woman AirJordan1 Mid features a white base covered with lines and plain tree silhouette. Light brown feather overlays lace leaf print tag, silk swashes tag. That will see you next time.